Hey guys, Jeff here from With Botanical, and welcome to my new series, Growing Food in Small Spaces. So, in this series I'm going to go through some different ways that you can grow a good amount of food in a really small space. So I'm in a rental property. I don't really have access to growing food in the garden beds themselves, but even if I did, the garden beds here are all way too shady. I could maybe do some sort of leafy greens and stuff here and there, but on the most part, this is actually the sunniest part of the garden, this courtyard, and it's where I do most of my growing for food anyway. So at the moment it's a bit of a mess because I'm rearranging things and setting up to really maximize my space, and as part of this series I'm going to go through the steps of what I'm doing to do that. So this series is going to cover everything from propagating your own seeds to making your own compost and eventually taking it all the way to harvest. I'm also going to talk about how you maximize space. This courtyard that I grow all my food in is only about 3 meters wide, about 5 or 6 long, and not all of that is growing space, so I've got to take into account position of the sun. I've got an outdoor setting. I want to actually have some space in my courtyard to sit and enjoy the plants as well. I have some ornamental plants. At the moment I don't really have much food on the go because I've been rearranging everything, so I've actually dismantled pretty much all my growing stuff to redo it all in a more space efficient way. So yeah, if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, then you can go over to my channel, click subscribe and follow along. You can follow along with this whole process. It's going to be a bit of a journey taking what I had to what I'm going to have. I have been growing food here for about 2 years now, not on a huge scale. I've just been sort of putting in a few tomatoes. I had some capsicums, and I've had cucumbers and some lettuces, and I've got berries, I've got blueberries and strawberries, which are down here behind me. But I've not really stepped it up to a point where I'm getting large harvests. But that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to move into that because that's what I really like to do. I'm really excited about sort of trying to grow as much of my own food as I can. And as always, thanks all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.